welcome back to our channel. I am so glad you guys are joining me again. I have something so special in store for you. This is my very first time doing Senegalese twists, and I wanted to share it with you all. Into the next section, but before we do that, jump down, bust down, like, subscribe, go back, watch all of our videos from QUICKIEST. We are finally back in the new year, so shout out to 2020, happy 2020, and let's get in to the style. Guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back. We're going to do something a little bit different. As you can see, my hair is not completely done. I am over here doing Senegalese twists for the very first time. So if you have not already, get into all this naturalness, bust down, like, subscribe, join our support group, and let's get in to our edition of the Senegalese twist using the Rubberband method, okay? We will be using the Goddess Curl Braid S4, 54-inch curl braided hair from Rastafri, okay? And this hair I like because it has a little curl at the bottom. Okay, it's 100% Toyota line hair. And I actually purchased this hair from the hair store for about $5.49. And it comes with 3 bundles. I'll take it out the pack. And it comes with 3 bundles. Okay, so this is the hair. This is the curl at the bottom that I'm obsessed with. Okay, and it's 54 inches. And it's pre-stretch, which is a huge deal because then you get the nice little ends like this. Now, I wasn't sure that I was going to show you guys this. I was kind of taking a break from wearing wigs for a second. But then I thought, y'all love a good how-to. Okay, because if you haven't saw my faux lock video yet, we're going to leave the link for that. So why not get into this one as well? No judgment. I have hair right here because I've been just sitting here doing it. And what I did was currently I just separated out 2 sections, okay, in the front of my head using the elastic bands. I used to use the elastic bands over the rubber bands. It makes a difference, okay, on your hair. You don't want your hair to be pulled out or anything. And these are like coated and it helps it like slide off your hair, okay? We're going to use our EBIN 24-hour edge tamer, okay, and our edge booster. And we use this just to coat the hair as we're twisting it down, okay? And to give yourself, you want to go in and make sure your base is good as well. Okay, so we're just going to take a little section of this hair. Okay, so this is the bundle. I'm only going to take a little bit. The ones in the back are a little bit bigger, but because we're moving to the front, I want them to be a little bit smaller. So I'm only going to take about this much hair, okay? Just a little bit. You want to get all your flyaways off, okay? Again, like we use our edge booster, take your edge booster, smooth out your hair. Okay. What I do to make it easier to go through, because we're using our crochet needle to push it through. What I do typically is I'll push my crochet needle in, okay, as you can see, made a little bit of bubble, and I take the tip, because it's just easier to pull the tip in. Hey, put the tip in. It's easy to put the tip in than it is anything else. Close it, pull it in, see? Super easy, as opposed to make sure your hair is even. Okay, that's even. I'll separate my 2 pieces. Okay, and I want to tighten the inside. Tighten the inside, okay? So it looks, you have your 2 pieces of hair, your hair, and 2 pieces of the braiding hair. Take a little bit more of your edge booster, and let's start twisting. And this is just such a super easy, and twist super tight because it's going to unravel on you, okay? I'm just going to get up on you. I'm just going to add a little bit more edge booster. And you want to do it as you go down, because you want your hair to stay in place when it unravels too. So that's a good reason why you should be doing the edge booster. And it hydrates. Look at y'all. I got my lips is chapped and everything. This is for y'all. This is for y'all. Listen, I'm coming through for the kids on a nice Friday edition. Well, this will be posted on Wednesday, but I'm doing it on a Friday. So now we're just going to keep twisting down and make sure it's tight because, again, it will unravel. All right. And I'm just going to go all the way down. Easier styles. This is, so I do the faux locks and everything like that. And the faux locks are easy because it's crochet hair. So you can just braid your hair down and leave your hair out in the front and crochet the faux locks in. And I'll be doing another passion twist video later on this month as well. But I love the ease of this. And I really want to be a braider in real life. And with the Rubberband Method, all things are possible. Okay? Because I really genuinely want to be a braider. Like, the fact that I am not, and I have to use the Rubberband Method is method. Ooh, child. That's how y'all know it's a Friday and I'm working from home. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so from the beginning, we're going to use our crochet hook to pull in the tip of the Rastafri braiding hair, and we're just going to pull it through. You want to make sure that your Rastafri hair is even, and then you're going to separate your hair through the rubber band and tighten the rubber band. You just want to make sure that your Senegalese twist doesn't fall out, okay? So you want to take some edge booster. And you're going to take your edge booster and hydrate the hair just so your hair doesn't stick out through the twist. And you're going to start to twist down. This is the best look and it's so super easy. So we are all done and I'm just going to beat my life. I've been going for a minute. Now I'm back with the jump off. Get into these twists, y'all. I did these twists in 2 hours. It was my very first time using the crochet method, okay, and the Rastafri hair. I am outdone. I'm outdone. Okay, I'm just giving you a good look at what's going on here. I'm feeling like around the wig girl, okay, bamboo earrings, at least 2 pair. Okay, I'm just going to throw her up a little bit. Now, we're all done. This style took us 2 hours to do in 2.5 packs. I have to add my finishing touches because you know how I do. This is like literally a signature thing that I feel like I do. Everybody does not do this when they're doing their Senegalese twist. And the difference between Senegalese twist and regular twist, passion twist, or whatever the case may be, is that Senegalese twist, they use the straight hair. Passion twist, they use the wavy hair. So just so you know, for context, that's the difference. So what I'm going to do right now is add in our Freetress braid GOGO curl hair. Okay, this is crochet hair, and I have her in the color number 1. And I just like to go ahead and just add her around the perimeter. Not too much, but just enough to like give a little. I like once your twists get a little older, it's a nice look to have, you know? So I'm just going to tie these on in. Right quick. Okay. And not too much because you want to keep them still looking chic and sleek and thin. And then we're going to add some ornaments. Now, I never, ever, ever add ornaments to my hair. I'm really like the worst kind of black girl because I'm always trying to be kind of acceptable, but kind of like towing the line. So we're going to toe the line a little bit. And we're going to throw in some ornaments in our hair, okay? Because you can always take them out. And I just feel like they're fun and sexy. And I don't think that's a bad thing. Look, y'all. Okay, so just take your crochet hair, okay? Your hook. Get on up on you. Hook it through. And I just put the whole loop through. Pull her through. Okay, see your hole and pull the rest of the hair on through. Okay, and that's just to add a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll get a little closer. This one right here, the rubber band pop, right? But look, she's still hanging in there. So Wow, these are a little bit older. I kind of played with them, I'm gonna be honest. It's been about 2 weeks since I filmed the beginning of this video, but don't judge me. I filmed it. So as we're putting this in, I found that when I was popping the popping the rubber bands, it was like giving me a cute little like worn out lock look. Okay, guys, so the hair is all filled in, okay? Ooh, child, y'all better get into this. 2 hours, kid. I took my time. It was my very first time doing this, and I'm obsessed. Okay, honey. Yes, I'm giving y'all city girl realness and my Spanx, okay? So y'all better get into it. I'm giving y'all a whole show. So what I'm going to do now, which I never, ever, ever do, I think I'm going to put some hair, little ornaments in there. I never do it, so we're going to do them one at a time because I'm never sure what it's supposed to look like. These are just the little clippers, okay? If you guys can see that, and I'm just going to add them on in. Okay. Listen, y'all, I'm such a conservative, like, I'm so corny that, like, doing this is really out of my comfort zone. But who knows? I might go get some pants or something like that. You know what I mean? Because if I could do this, I could do anything, right? Right? So let's get into... So I have the clipper thingies. I have these clip thingies, okay? As well as a string. I'm going to do this a little further up. Ooh, okay. I'm not going to do too much. I'm not going to do too much for the kids. You know what I mean? I don't want nobody getting carried away or nothing. Just get a little shum-shum. So this is the pack that I have, okay? And it came with this string. Okay, guys, I'm so glad that you guys got to join us for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. And if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel, like this video. And if you don't like it, let us know why, so we can do better next time, okay? In the spirit of Louis Harvey's birthday, okay? We came through with a twist. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you're having a happy new year. And I hope to see you guys later.